Who's having spa day in my lap? Where's he at? Where's that cute little face? That's Marigold's best friend. Yeah, is this your girlfriend, Marigold? She's your best friend. Yeah. This is Miss Daisy. Miss Daisy and Marigold are pals. Aren't you girls? You girls love each other. Right, Marigold? Come here, pretty girls. Pretty girls. Say hi. Look at your little face.